Oh, okay. Well, I've got the pipe all ready to go. Now, if I can just get a cooperating... Ow, 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 fuck. Burned myself on that. Shit. Idiot, idiot, idiot. Okay, now this thing, it should work. And I'm just going to try and get right on it. I want to get in the middle. Doesn't hurt to heat the whole thing up, but while the torch is working like it is, I'm just going to let it go. Now, normally, this stuff happens pretty fast. Okay, you'll see the old sorter coming out the edges, and then you know you got it. Not the old, but the new sorter. Now, I want to be able to draw this in